Hey guys, Nicole Boyd here from wonderfullyfashion.com, and today I'm starting a series on Introduction to Shuttle Tatting. And first off, I just want to show you the tatting supplies that you're going to need. And first off, you're going to need some tatting thread, and I use size 10, and this is Aunt Lydia's brand. It's a really good brand, I like it a lot, and you can find it at Michael's or Joann's. And then you're going to need some tatting shuttles, and I got a 2-pack at Joann's. They're just little plastic ones. They don't have to be fancy or anything. And then I like to use a crochet hook, a mini one. It's a 0.75 millimeter, and anything smaller than that you don't really need right now, but I do like to use a smaller one as you get into the smaller threads. So then I like to use these. They are little mini sewing scissors. You don't have to use these, but I like it because it's short and cute and mini. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to load your shuttle. And as you'll see, there's a little hole in the middle of the shuttle there. And that's what you're going to thread your string through. Just thread it through like so. And hold it with your thumb, and then just start winding around that middle pillar there. And I'm not sure if that's what it's really called. I just called it a pillar because that's what it looks like. And just make sure you have enough for your project. So for right now, while you're just practicing, you don't need a ton of string in there. And I highly suggest using 2 different colors of thread when you're first starting out, just to make sure that your knots are looking the right way. Because if one of the colors shows through in your knots, then you're not doing it right. So, all right. So to get started, you're gonna take both ends of your string and just do a loop knot and tie them together, like so. And then in your left hand, you're gonna take your forefinger and your thumb and just hold that knot, and then wrap the thread over your fingers, and then wrap the thread around your pinky 4 or 5 times just to make it secure. And then that shuttle is just gonna hang there, like so. And then in your right hand, you're gonna take your other shuttle, and you're gonna hold it like this between your forefinger and your thumb. And you're gonna wrap the thread around your fingers. So I'll show you that again. So you just go under and then over. And then you're gonna go under the thread on your left hand and then over. And that's gonna make a loop like so. So then you're gonna pull the thread tight in your right hand and then pull that loop tight with your left hand. So it's kind of like a back and forth motion. So I'll show you the second part of the double stitch. You leave the thread under your fingers this time, and you go over and under and make that loop, and then pull the thread tight in your right hand, and then pull that loop tight with your left fingers. Okay, and there you go. There's your first double stitch. So I'll show you that again a few more times. So wrap the thread around your fingers, like so, and under, over, and I let my fingers go slack on my left hand so that you can pull the thread tight on your right hand, and then you can bring it tight again on your left. Okay, and then leave the thread under your fingers, and you go over the red thread and under, pull it tight. And there is your second double stitch. Okay, so I'll show that to you a few more times in slow motion. Under, over, pull it tight, over, under, pull it tight. There's 3. And I like to count in my head, so I do 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So this would be 4, 4, 5, 5, and closer so you guys can see better. 7. I did a video a little while back and one of my friends commented and they're like, this is like magic. But once you get the hang of it, it really is simple. So, but seriously, don't feel bad. It took me a year to really get the hang of it. So if you guys just practice and keep at it, I promise you'll be able to do it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Next week I'm going to show you how to make a ring, and really the ring and the chain is the whole basis of tatting. So if you can get these first 2 things down, you can make anything that you want. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video. I can't talk. Like the video and comment below with any questions that you have. I would love to be able to just tailor these videos to what you guys need. So thanks again, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Introduction to Shuttle. Introduction. Oh my god.
Alright, go.
That's my son, and he's gonna try to eat the phone. Oh gosh. And today I'm starting. I have to start over because I did that like 30-second thing.